So we were looking to the charges of the Saint John. The sixth charge is she should act like a woman and always interfering like a man in everything. Then John says every woman is acting like a woman, but I thought to save my country from enemies, so what is wrong in that? And then also you declare me like a witch. The question was asked that why she is always wearing the clothes like a soldier. Then she said that you are always keeping me in a prison with men all around, and there are always men around me and no woman is there. So it has become necessary to wear and act like a soldier to me for my protection. So here we see that she is a peaceful lady and having a great common sense. Seventh charge. Our seventh charge is that she is having an intercourse with evil spirits. Now evil spirits are those who we can't see. So how can she do that? So such fake charges are charged on her to declare her as a witch. And also she is performing witchcraft. This was all unnatural things which she is doing. In the last moment, Joan was not ready to accept the charges. And why should she? All were fake and wrong charges. So they told her that 800 soldiers are waiting and they are ready to take you at marketplace. They said, Joan, you are going to be excommunicate. Now the excommunicate means to expel somebody from everything. I am not a witch and not a heretic. Such words were said by Joan again and again. Joan said, I had always been a loyal and a true citizen of a nation who always tries to protect my country from enemies. So what is the fault of me in this? She was taken to the burning fire. Nobody listened to her and she was burnt to ash. She was totally burnt at the stake in the market square at Rion on 30th May. So here we have completed the lesson Saint John. Question is asked that what are the charges imposed on Saint John? The first is hearsay and witchcraft. Second is of stealing of horses. Third, dancing and praying around haunted trees and wells. Fourth, she was always wearing clothes like a soldier. Fifth charge, she tried to jump from 60 feet high window and she has tried to fly like a witch. Sixth charge, that she should act like a woman and always interfering like a man. And seventh charge is that she was having an intercourse with evil spirits. So the questions may be asked on that what was the case, then who was the Saint John, write the character sketch of Saint John, or write the charges of the Saint John. What were the charges which were imposed on her, or write any 2 or 3 charges which were imposed on Saint John. Next lesson we are going to see is the passage of India. A passage to India.